Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox widescreen problem. It's easy. All you need to do first, right click here and then make sure to close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Right click and click in task, and after that type here. After that, just right click on Roblox and click run as administrator. If that doesn't fix it, let's move to the next method. Type here Windows Updates Settings. Now click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you will find here. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Type here apps and features, then type here Roblox, click on it and click on install, and after that your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.